Welcome to How to 360 Kitchen Creations. Today we're making a timeless Italian favorite classic homemade lasagna. Here's what you'll need. Ground beef and Italian sausage for the hearty meat sauce. Onions, garlic and 2 kinds of tomato sauce, plus ricotta, Parmesan and mozzarella for the cheesy layers. Don't forget your lasagna noodles and seasonings. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add the ground beef and Italian sausage, breaking them apart with a spatula. Once the meat is browned, about 5 to 6 minutes, drain excess fat. Stir in the chopped onion and minced garlic. Sauté until the onion is translucent, about 3 minutes. Add the marinara sauce, tomato sauce and Italian seasoning. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then bring to a gentle simmer for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the lasagna noodles and cook until al dente, about 8 to 10 minutes. Drain noodles and lay them flat on a lightly oiled sheet pan to prevent sticking. In a medium bowl, combine ricotta cheese, beaten egg, and grated Parmesan. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper, then stir until smooth. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Spread a thin layer of meat sauce on the bottom of the dish. Place 3 cooked noodles over the sauce. Spoon 1/3 of the ricotta mixture over the noodles and spread gently. Sprinkle 1 cup of shredded mozzarella. Repeat. Meat sauce, noodles, ricotta, mozzarella 2 more times. Finish with a final layer of meat sauce and the remaining mozzarella. Cover the dish tightly with foil and bake for 25 minutes. Then remove the foil and bake an additional 15 minutes until the cheese is golden and bubbly. Let your lasagna rest for 10 minutes before slicing. This helps the layers set. Garnish with fresh basil or parsley for a pop of color. And there you have it, a rich, cheesy, classic lasagna that's perfect for family dinners. As always, all the ingredients and cooking instructions are in the description below. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more and hit the bell to never miss a video. Buon appetito!